Yo, 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 what up, what up? Kanal here, Bulls on Wall Street. I hope you guys all had a good day. We close into the markets, we were red most of the day, but it looked like, every time the market dipped, at least intraday, people were coming in and buying the market. And it looked pretty much like just kind of a regular light pullback today, possibly opportunities abound. And then, towards the end of the day, the market just started flushing right into the close. And I believe we did close right on the lows. So we'll see tomorrow. We got a lot of support around this 1425 area. We've had a nice couple days here, to get a little bit of red. It happens. I was a little bit surprised by, the fact that the pullback got this deep. I was expecting some shallow pullbacks, but they put some oomph behind it, and we'll see if it follows through tomorrow. We got a lot of different levels of support underneath as the market's just in a bullish upthrust right now, and you're seeing stocks just firing all over the place. So for now, the trading is still good. The market is the position of the indices has not changed. So, nothing yet to be too alarmed about, but, I would have assumed that we would have had a lighter pullback today, but sometimes that just doesn't happen. Tomorrow, IQNT. This one is looking kind of like an inverse head and shoulders type of pattern. Definitely a base breakout in the works. Nice little volume pattern creeping up here. I'm watching Cena here. I freaking was goofing around and I missed the original short on it where it just tapped right into the 50-day moving average. This is just, for now, this bounce, there could be some downside to this type of stock as it's come a long way without any rest. And I wouldn't be surprised if it came back and pulled back to 45. So I've got this on watch for potential shorts. Baidu, same thing, right? After such a flush, a smack dab right into resistance. We'll see if, we get some potential fades tomorrow. Maybe a 95 test on this stock. DQ, this is a little Chinese stock that's just starting to come out of range. It might need a few more days, but it's got an interesting look to it, especially if it gets over that 200-day moving average. OCZ, I like the spot on this one, above support. It tried to break out today, but then it faded. Look for a move over 2 tomorrow to really get this thing going. HIMX, this one looks really good, if you're looking at the daily. Even better, if you just pull out like a 10-day, 30-minute chart, this one is really coiling up for a run. We'll see tomorrow if it's its day. THLD, it's going to need to break over that 50-day moving average. I tried this bad boy today, but it did not work. I took a loss on it, 12, 13, 14 cents, something like that. But back on watch tomorrow. GFA, still, we're in a flag pattern here, and then we've got a flat top breakout if it can come out of this zone. I like the look of this one. MCP, still watching this one. This stock, it keeps popping to the 1040s and then fading. So my thinking is if it breaks under 10, it'll probably drop 50 cents really quick for a quick scalp. If it holds here, then, we might do this pop and fade thing. But it's definitely, it's gearing up for a move. And I don't know longer short yet, but there's going to be a good play in it. SPRD, same type of thing as Baidu, right? We got a breakdown, pullback play. Look for potential shorts if this market gets nasty. LNG, we're holding up here nicely around this 18 level after this very, very key breakout. I've got this on watch here, so I think as long as it kind of holds above 17, this thing could really gear up for a run. I like the look of this long term. FBHS still on watch for a potential breakout. Looks kind of like a slow stock though. MPO, this is an oil stock. My one worry on this is that oil's been running the last couple days, and this stock is still hanging out at the 7 spot. All the spikes on it get faded, and then the dips towards 7 are getting bought. It really needs to come out of this range and hold. And then ENVI, let's see if it breaks over this 50-day moving average. These bottom stocks are really starting to make some inroads. This was, an $8 stock just a handful of months ago. So that's it for now, guys. Let's make sure that the market holds support tomorrow. Don't go all balls in buying stocks if the market starts off weak. We could get a quick flush into in the morning before a potential reversal. So just be careful. You never know what's going to happen, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care.